Day one of singles. They split the event over 2 days, both genders. We have Cam and Matt that are going today.
Cam is now ready, as he has just showed up. And I mean, they just look tough. A lot of good shot making that's required, and just looks really tough pair to pair. I think it's going to be pretty similar for us as well.
We like that. We like it when they're hard. We have Frankie and Mitch that are bowling tonight, so maybe we'll get some shots from Mitch, not Frankie.
Yeah, he's going to be throwing a pitch purple.
Yeah.
Aren't you, Frank?
Best purple. We're going to go watch, get some shots, and then we'll be ready to hit the lanes tomorrow morning at 9:30.
See you guys in a bit.
First time with the jersey competing.
Yeah, nervous?
I feel like Nick Pay right now.
Yeah.
All right, what happened out there, buddy?
Well, they were fucking hard.
Raw reaction is what I asked for.
I hit a good pair, shot 240, and besides that, I grinded a couple 200, got a 160 and a 190. It's the way it is sometimes. I think I left like 4 9 counts today. I left 7 every way.
I was gonna say, I saw you leave multi-pins more than usual.
I left like 5 single pins.
Throwing
that's not good when they're hard.
Throwing urethane nonetheless too. That's supposed to get you 9.
know.
Frankie's raw reaction.
That was the sickest vote.
I threw it in the gutter.
Yeah.
Welcome to my life. You're one of me now.
I will say score added up to more than 114. There were some games where I felt like we were in a bowl 114, but we still shot like 170. That's what it would be like to be a left-hander. Just 2 games, re-oiled.
Well, Matt shot 139 on the end.
I think no one goes plus on your squad.
Too much talent.
Nothing less.
Too much talent on our squad.
I don't know. There was like a few frames where I was like, oh, somebody could definitely crush this. And then there's a few frames where I was like,
you throw a double and
no
you're like,
way.
man, you throw a double, you're like, I'm lined up now, and then, no, you're not.
It's a little bit fair.
I'm 139.
I've been there before. You're still in 3rd?
5 away from the lead.
Yeah.
I can find 5 pins and 2 fill shots.
They're hard on both sides.
Yeah, they are. I started off with 190, 240, 240. I was like, dang. And then I had caught a double bad breaks, and after that, I just couldn't go any further. So, yeah, we'll see what happens.
Yeah,
but,
good job, though.
Thank you.
Most time. Day 2 of singles.
Day 2, baby.
Yeah, cheers to the coffee mug from the hotel.
What are we feeling today?
A lot of
205
strength.
average?
205 is my goal.
205.
205 my
Spare balls
medal.
didn't work great today.
Let's do it.
Get it.
Let's get it.
We got me, Andrew, Kyle, and then KP.
Wherever he is.
He's probably with the girls.
You gonna let me film today?
We know where he is.
You gonna let me film today?
Matt's gonna probably take over the camera, get some shots of us.
I learned this morning that Nate's a superstar in Peru. So
Did they talk about me?
They did talk about you. He knew your last name.
Yeah.
My last name probably eventually. So we're doing all right.
Yeah, so here's some shots of us.
So Nick, I got a question for you.
What's up?
Been talking to some of the people from Canada. I hear you're wearing the wrong jersey this morning. Is that?
Well, Mitch didn't bring me though.
And his hair's not slicked back anymore.
Yeah.
You gonna beat Frankie?
Probably not. Frankie's a grinder.
What about Mitch?
Yeah, probably.
What? He'll beat me by 30.
Yeah. Just pull an extra move.
It's in between.
What are your thoughts? What are your thoughts? Did you have fun? They should have just let you, take third after 3 or 4 or whatever it was.
I executed very, very well for minus 30 or 40, whatever.
No, you beat us by 2, Andrew and I.
Huh?
You beat Andrew and I by 2.
Well, I don't know what you
26 under is what you went.
Oh, okay.
24 under.
Okay, 24 under. Cool. With back-to-back 160s, a 5F, and an F spare.
Oh, it's one of those days.
In a couple frames in a row.
The approaches are shorter here.
Not by much. Just enough for me to foul.
Singles is complete. Kyle did the best. Well, besides Russo. How do we feel about that?
Did a great job of grinding. Missed 3 makeables today. Just dumb stuff, but then I was pretty nice on the washout, so I was grinding. And then the last game just kind of got away from me. A couple bad shots, paid
Little
the penalty.
handsy.
Got a little handsy. Left
Look at
lane
this.
tricked me. Right lane just tricked me one or two shots, so it wasn't too bad. I don't know. It was good.
Good learning.
Yeah, good to get our feet wet. I'm pretty excited. I think me and Nick got a good chance tomorrow for doubles. I think we see it pretty well.
I mean, I hit the pocket a lot.
Yeah, Nick bowled way better than
I went minus 28. My low game was 183
Yeah.
or 184. High game 212.
So
Just couldn't get all 10 down, but sometimes that's what bowling is.
yeah.
Coach said, hit the pocket and stay there, and that's what I did.
That's what you did.
So,
Gotta get Bermuda in the globe.
you want to get
Hell
Bermuda
yeah.
in the...
Damn right I wanna get in the
We got
globe.
Bermuda.
What's up, you guys? Just finished. Brutal.
David,
brutal.
right?
Yeah, David. It's brutal over there, man.
Yeah.
Brutal. Very brutal over
Yeah.
there. Tomorrow's a new day, though, baby.
Absolutely.
Tomorrow's a new
100
day.
over each of us.
Oh, yes. Tomorrow's a new day.
We can get Canada on the vlog, too. Mitch, am I a grinder now?
Actually, yeah. Well, if you consider grinding, getting like 3 triples and 4 opens a game.
I didn't do that a game.
That was me.
Just the last 2.
Yeah, of course. That's probably the ones you watched.
Yeah, it is.